Cosmology. 1. The Big Bang. 100 years ago, the world's best scientific minds thought that the universe had always existed. Since it always existed, it didn't need a creator. Einstein changed all that. His field equations suggested that the universe was expanding like a balloon. The mathematician and Belgian priest, Georges Lemaitre, realized that this expansion had to have started from somewhere. It must have come from an initial, dense point. This idea became known as the Big Bang. Today, it is the basis for understanding the origin of the universe. What few people know, however, is that the Holy Quran described the Big Bang perfectly, 1,400 years earlier. Do not the disbelievers see that the heavens and the earth were a closed-up mass, Ratcon, then we opened them out? And we made from water every living thing. Will they not then believe? The Arabic word Ratcon means a closed-up mass. It also means darkness. A dark, closed-up mass is a perfect description of what we know the universe looked like in its earliest moments. The heavens and the earth were indeed opened out from this mass to produce the universe we see today. The verse further says that water is the basis of life. This is now an accepted scientific fact. When NASA look for planets that can bear life, they look for water. The shocking power of this verse is a grand sign for our disbelieving age. Stay tuned for next part. Like, subscribe and hit the bell icon if you wish to see videos like these in future.